Mounting options for the ForeFlight Sentry. The preferred mounting option comes with the Sentry when you originally purchased it. It has this white piece affixed to the back of the unit and a suction cup with a nesting piece on it. That white piece goes inside and you give it a quarter turn and it holds really tight. Some people misplace this piece or break it or lose it. You can get replacement pieces from Sporty's. We sell just this top piece as well as the whole assembly. Now that isn't the only mounting option for a Sentry though. You'll notice there's a screw on the back here. If we take an Allen wrench and remove that screw, it might look familiar to a lot of people. This is known as a 1/4-20 size screw, and there are lots of cameras out there that use the same mounting options. So you'll find some mounts with 1/4-20 screws will work just fine with the Sentry as well.